You've seen these YETI duffel bags. These were just released in August of 2017. And this right here is the YETI Panga 50. It's a 50-liter duffel bag. It's not a cooler, it is a duffel bag, but you can watch reviews on these on YouTube, on other channels. This is simply a quick review on sizing. So to give you an idea of size, since there were no videos or reviews of these yet because they're so new, I was a little concerned that this bag would be too small. So I'm actually really happy with the size. Carrying it next to me, that's the size of the bag. Seems like a perfect, normally sized duffel bag, perfect for a 3 or 4 day trip. And then wearing it on your back, this is what size it is. I'm 5'10", so this is what it looks like on a 5'10" person, and the straps are super comfortable. It fits in an overhead compartment, so even if let's say you're not super outdoorsy, but you have to travel all the time, you're always going through bags, having to buy new suitcases, super recommend this bag. It's very durable, very nice, and there you go.